Hello, my name is Eliana Rutka. I am a sophomore at ASU studying mathematics and secondary education. Today I will be presenting about the court case Castaneda versus Pickard. Please follow along with my poster on the screen. Castaneda versus Pickard was a case that arose from a father, Roy Castaneda, who filed a lawsuit against the Raymondville Independent School District in Texas. Mrs. Pickard was the president of the school district. Castaneda had two daughters in the school district, and he felt that they were being discriminated against and were not receiving equal education due to the fact that they were Mexican Americans and English was not their first language. The underlying issue of this case was the issue that Castaneda felt that the school district was not establishing sufficient bilingual education programs to help his daughters to receive the same quality of education as the other students. 7 years prior, Congress had passed the Equal Education Opportunity Act of 1974. This act required that all children in public schools be given equal opportunity in education, no matter their race, color, sex, or national origin. Castaneda felt that this law was being violated because this law was intended to prohibit discrimination like his daughters were experiencing. The Equal Education Opportunity Act of 1974 required that schools have programs in place to help overcome barriers, including language barriers, so that equal education is available to all. This includes implementing programs for non-English speakers to help them to learn the language. The court initially ruled in 1978 that the school district had not violated this law. However, the case ended up being appealed, and in 1981, the court ruled in favor of Castaneda and found that the Raymondville School District was in violation of the Equal Education Opportunity Act of 1974. Additionally, this landmark case then established three criteria for evaluating the effectiveness of the programs that a school has in place to break down language barriers and ensure equal education for all. These three criteria are that the program must, one, be based on a sound educational theory, two, be implemented effectively with adequate resources and personnel, and then three, after a trial period, they must be evaluated as effective in overcoming those language handicaps. This is considered a landmark case because of the establishment of these criteria to assess bilingual education programs. The three-part assessment is still used in court to this day. The case helped to advance the rights of bilingual students by requiring schools to address the needs of English language learners. Thank you very much.